Don't you just hate it when you're in a store that you come to all the time and you can't find what you need to find? I need to find the pegboard stuff. Like the stuff to do the pegboard, you know, like the baskets and the hooks and stuff. I need to find that. So we're gonna suck it up and we're gonna ask. I hate that though. Because I know where it all is in Home Depot. But I'm not in Home Depot. I'm in Lowe's. So Monday we are going to do we're gonna rebuild a deck. That's not the wood we're gonna buy for the deck. Oh, foam. Look at all that foam. Look at all that. Foam. They don't sell pink foam here at Lowe's. They don't. But yes, we are going to rebuild a deck for a fellow haunter, Nick the Zombie, and he has a deck that is pretty much collapsing. So we're going to rebuild it for him. Me and a bunch of other haunters. Byron from St. Helens, and Brian from another part of Washington. I always forget where all these people live, but you know who you are. He's the one who made the bloody sink for the booth. So Brian will be there, and then my wife and Jim Erickson from Shattered Dreams of Haunted Nightmares or whatever it is. I don't really care about what his haunt name is because I'm awesome and he's sort of awesome. All right, let's find this crap and get out of here. As soon as they start, we need to go back by mommy, okay? Right here, Lizzie. Okay, turn it off. Turn it off. Fireworks. Lizzie, over here, please. Oh, yeah, so she can see him. Or you know what? You guys want to go back by the wall? You want to go by the wall? Come on. Watch out. Okay, you go up by the wall. Go up there by the wall. Just Just watch out. Don't touch his camera thing there. Move back just a little bit. There you go. Nope. I know, there are people down there. Can they what?
Be down there.
Yeah.
Mason, if you have the lucky chance, if you have a very unlucky chance, I would suggest something. If they if they win the water, they would have to play like water or something. That's grown, Daddy.
I know. Yeah, he's up there. See, there it goes, way up there.
Oh, Troy got a shield.
There it goes.
Bam. Troy, look at me.
I am, dude.
Oh, Troy, watch this. Watch this. Bam.
It's pretty cool. This is Logan's zombie school bus killing machine. Here we go. He runs into zombies with a school bus.
Okay.
Awesome.
Over here now. Where's here?
Maybe you shouldn't be using your boost the whole time.
Okay,
Oh, there's so many dead zombies. Dead zombies. Oh, you're right. Hit that one in the head with your wheels. Look at that one. I got your butt. I got your butt. Look, he caught on. Oh, God. This is gruesome. So, today we've decided that we, because yesterday I helped Ashley's dad fix his tent trailer. And I know, probably I'm dark now, but oh man, I'm not. Okay, so I helped redo the cabling on his tent trailer. So that's what I did yesterday. Today we opened up our tent trailer, and we're going to do the vinegar water aging bucket, and we're going to finish the bridge all today. But when we first opened the trailer this morning, Ashley was standing in the doorway, I was pulling out the beds, and this is kind of the aftermath. I'll show you the beginning. Actually, well, I can't because I didn't see it, but this is all ant poop. And look, there's an ant. They can do one more set. Ants. They were all coming in over here, and they covered this entire countertop. So this was their poop, and I'm cleaning it. But yes, so they had all the little babies, and we vacuumed them all up. It took us about half an hour to vacuum them all up, and they're still just randomly showing up in places. So, yeah, we got them all, but we'll have to figure out something. I sprayed a bunch of stuff on the outside of the trailer, too, to keep it from them coming in and stuff. So that was fun. So now we have to get through all of this and organize it. It's actually pretty organized now, but we have to take some stuff out for the deck rebuild that we're doing tomorrow for Nick the Zombie. So it's a super busy weekend. But that's what 6-day weekends are for, right? Because I don't go back to work until Thursday, and it's only Sunday. I know. So Monday we're doing the deck rebuild. Tuesday I'm hanging out by myself pretty much, and not doing anything, taking the kids to daycare and school, and then Wednesday I'm spending the day with my daughter. It's gonna be awesome. So, good. We'll see what, I'll come back and we'll do the vinegar and water and the bridge. Oh, so we got the trailer done-ish. You know, just cleaning it, getting the stupid ants out, doing all that kind of crap. So now we're gonna move on to a wood aging bucket, courtesy of Hollywood Haunters. Basically, it is vinegar and a bucket and steel wool and then water. And you let it sit for like a week, which is perfect because I won't be able to do anything with this until next weekend. Well, I have to do stuff during the week, so we'll see. Basically, I'm going to test it on some other stuff that I need to see what it would do and how to apply it to some of the wood that I have. So to test out how it works, and I know it works, I've seen it on the YouTube video that Hollywood Hunters put out. So we're going to do that now. Oh, look, another layer. Thanks, Dollar Tree. Enjoyable. Alright, so pour the vinegar in. Yeah! You know, I'm totally going to put the Breaking Bad theme song to this. Anyways, so we're going to make up a huge batch because we are going to use a lot. I have 16 panels. Oh, yeah, I got to get this one. Oh my god. Those of you who may not have the... I've been working today. Look, I already got Band-Aids, all kinds of stuff. I've been working for the last 2 days on a lot of different projects and stuff like that. So I'm very tired with my hands. So I wanted to let people know I have a little trick about opening up bottles. So like, you know, the soda pop bottles that you can't get the top off of because they've been sitting for a week. You take a rubber band. You can take a regular size one, or you can take one of these long ones or one of these wide ones, and basically make a good tight fit around the thing. You don't have to have it all the way around or all the way covering it and all that, but watch what it does. So I could not get this off. My hands are just beat, so I could not get it off. So watch this. Oh, comes off like butter. So just a little. So save the buckets because you're going to use them again for that amount of water. 50-50. Take up a bunch of these. Yeah, we're just going to do them all. This is not the exact same steel wool that Hollywood Hunters used, but Scare Hollow. Don't litter. All right, so stick that in there. Now let's get a stick. Haunters don't use spoons. Okay. Vinegar. Okay. That was probably my head in the way. What was it? Oh well. So we now have vinegar soaking. We will take the lid. Take that. All done. So we'll see what this looks like in about 4 or 5 days. So we'll meet this back up again on, let's say it's Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, we'll look at it. And then we will put this much, 2 of these of water in there, and that will make the mixture. And then we will take our brush, probably do a roller, probably, because I got the flat panels. We'll take the roller and we'll roll it on the panels and see what it does. I'm gonna try it on some OSB and see what the OSB looks like, because that's that chipboard crap. So we'll see what that looks like. I don't think it's gonna look good. So we're probably gonna use the OSB for the roof, because people won't see it as much, and I'll just paint it. And then we'll use the aging for the walls of the facade that people will see. So, all right, project 1, well, 45 today. Let's go on to the bridge build. We'll do that here in a few minutes.